Hi, this is Patrick Kate, Interim President here at LRCC, and today we're in the classroom for our T10 Toyota program that is designed to help train technicians for the future of automotive service. I am with Jamie Decato, our department chair, to talk a little bit about what does it mean to be in this industry at this time. Jamie.
Thank you, Patrick. So we have some great opportunities here at Lakes Region Community College in our automotive technology programs. Partnerships with manufacturers like Toyota and General Motors provide fast-track opportunities for students to enter the workforce. Students in these programs will spend about 12 weeks with us here on campus, and then they will transition to a co-op period for an additional 12 weeks. And the process that we use with the co-op ensures that these students have the skills and they are fast-tracking their learning as they go through the program.
You know, and that's one of the things we hear today is what if I go to college or a trade school? And one of the great things about this program is that you don't have to make that choice. You can come out with a degree and learn a very valuable trade out there. But thinking about that choice, what do you think the advantages of getting into the automotive field this way as opposed to just going right to the workforce?
Well, you know, what we're able to do in 2 years in our program would take an average person probably 5 or 6 years. What we do here, when they finish our programs, they're about 85% of the way to completion of all of their training areas for the manufacturer. It provides a really strong foundation for them to build and grow their career.
Yeah, this is a program we're very proud of. We invite you to come down and see our facilities, get to know some of the faculty here who are dedicated to making sure that we service this industry by providing quality technicians for the future, thinking about all of the future in automotive, from our traditional vehicles with our engines that you recognize to things like LiDAR systems and hybrid and electrical cars. LRCC is prepared to help every student come in here and become the best technician they can, and we look forward to seeing you down here at our facility. Thank you, Jamie.
Thank you. I couldn't have said it better myself. Nice job.